In this video, I'll guide you through how to unsubscribe from Surveymonkey emails. If your inbox is overflowing with messages you no longer need, this simple process will help you take control and reduce the clutter from Surveymonkey emails. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to gmail.com. This is where you'll manage your inbox and find the emails that you wish to unsubscribe from. Make sure you're logged into the correct Gmail account, especially if you have multiple accounts, to ensure you're managing the right inbox. Once you're in your Gmail account, the next step is to click on Inbox in the menu on the left-hand side. This will display all your incoming emails. Gmail organizes your emails into several categories, but for this task, you'll want to be viewing your primary inbox where most of your emails land. Now it's time to find an email from Surveymonkey. You can do this by scrolling through your inbox, or to make it quicker, use the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in Surveymonkey and press enter. This will filter your emails and show you only those from Surveymonkey, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Once you've located a Surveymonkey email, click to open it. This is where you'll find the option to unsubscribe. Typically, marketing emails will contain an unsubscribe link at the bottom. So what you need to do is scroll down to the very end of the email. This is a common place for companies to place the unsubscribe link because it's a legal requirement for marketing emails to provide a way for recipients to opt out if they choose to. Look for a link that says unsubscribe or something similar. The wording might vary slightly, but it's usually easy to spot. Click on this link. It will usually redirect you to a new page where you can confirm your choice to unsubscribe. Follow any additional prompts to complete the process. This ensures that you're removed from their mailing list and won't receive any more emails from Surveymonkey. And there you have it. You've successfully unsubscribed from Surveymonkey emails. It's always a good idea to check back in a few days to make sure you're no longer receiving emails from them. If you do see another email, double check that you've followed the unsubscribe process correctly. This quick tutorial showed you exactly how to unsubscribe from Surveymonkey emails, helping you clear up your inbox and manage your email subscriptions more effectively. Regularly managing your subscriptions can greatly enhance your email experience by keeping only the messages that matter to you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital life effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.